Let's talk about WMF 06448699990 jam funnel. Suitable for all standard household glass sizes. Cromargan 1810 stainless steel. Perfect addition to your cooking utensils. Nothing spilt in the filling process. Reducing and bottling your jam. What's to say, perfect. Hot jam plastic doesn't sound like a healthy option for me, so I went for stainless and I am glad I did. It works with small and large containers alike. Smart looking little funnel. Fits into my flask perfectly for pouring soup. Happy with purchase.